Imagine this, you're in the middle of a crucial project, and you need a perfect, flawless cut every single time. Whether you're framing a house, installing crown molding, or building furniture, the right miter saw makes all the difference between a professional finish and a frustrating mess. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 miter saws of 2026 that will transform your workshop and elevate your craftsmanship. From the absolute best overall performer to incredible value options and even battery-powered powerhouses, I have tested them all on the job site so you don't have to. Stick around because we are finding the perfect saw for your needs. Before we dive in, check the links in the description below for the best prices on all these saws, and make sure to hit that like button, share this with your fellow builders, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Starting at number 1, we have the DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound DWS 780, and this is our pick for the best overall miter saw. If your mission is to make the most consistent, precise cuts with ease and efficiency, this is the saw you want. Right out of the box, the DWS 780 came perfectly calibrated, which is a huge time saver. We absolutely love the XPS light system that creates a shadow line right on your workpiece, allowing you to line up your cuts with pinpoint accuracy every single time. The sliding mechanism is smooth and effortless, and the extended miter range gives you 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left, providing ample coverage for almost any angle you can throw at it. The main disadvantage, however, is its weight and footprint. This saw weighs over 60 pounds and measures over 32 inches with the table extensions, so you are going to need a dedicated space for it, and it's not something you want to lug around frequently. If the DWS 780 feels a bit out of your price range, the DeWalt DWS 779 is a great alternative that offers equally clean cuts for less, though you will lose that handy shadow line. Moving on to number 2, we have the SKIL 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound MS6305-00, and this is our pick for the best value miter saw. Despite being one of the most affordable saws we tested, the SKIL offers cutting power and precision that rivals saws costing twice as much. Our tester was blown away, saying it chewed through a 2x4 like it was nothing. This corded saw delivers swift cuts through 2x12 lumber and handles 45-degree miters on 2x8s with ease, all at a measured 4,960 revolutions per minute. We love the user-friendly LED shadow cut line, which enhances accuracy, and the straightforward features like easy miter angle adjustments and plenty of positive stops ranging from 0 to 45 degrees. It also boasts a respectable bevel range of 48 degrees to the left and 45 to the right. The cut capacity is almost as impressive as the DeWalt 12-inch models, coming in at 12.6 inches. All of these handy features, coupled with sheer power, make it great for both beginner DIY and advanced projects. The biggest drawback is the dust collection. It struggles to effectively collect dust with a bag or a vacuum, so expect a significant mess in your workspace. Number 3 brings us to the DeWalt 12-inch single-bevel compound DWS 715, our pick for the best non-sliding saw. If you are only planning to use your miter saw for precise chop cuts and only need an 8-inch capacity for molding, trim, or even picture frames, this saw is a fantastic choice. What the DWS 715 lacks in capacity, it more than makes up for in precision and accuracy. Our head tester noted that it had some of the cleanest, most perfect cuts of any saw they tested. We discovered its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism to be major highlights, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The compact design is a huge bonus, especially for space-conscious workshops or job sites. The effective dust collection system and build quality make this saw tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. However, the DWS 715 has its limitations. Most notably, it has a modest cut capacity due to the absence of a sliding rail, and it's a single bevel saw with a range of only 48 degrees to the left, meaning some projects may require manually flipping materials. We also found the lack of a cut line indicator a drawback, as it complicates cut alignment. Number 4 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound 2734-21, our choice for the best battery-powered miter saw. This is a high-quality saw that is a great fit for those who value ease of use and convenience over price. It is fairly expensive, but it justifies the cost with useful, well-designed features. We love the dependable shadow cut line indicator and the ample blade angle positive stops, which boost productivity and accuracy. Despite being a 10-inch saw, the 40.6-pound Milwaukee remains quite portable due to its aluminum construction and integrated carry handles. Our testers noted that while it's not the most powerful saw they've used, they were impressed by its cutting capacity while only requiring one battery. The Milwaukee is best suited for outdoor work or unfinished spaces, as its dust collection is below average, even when connected to a vacuum. If you don't think you will take full advantage of the Milwaukee's many features, the Ryobi 18 V1 Plus is a smaller, cheaper, but less capable alternative. The portable Milwaukee has impressive power for a battery-powered saw and is very capable, making it the go-to choice for job sites where corded power simply isn't an option. And finally, number 5 is the DeWalt 20V Max 7 to 1/4 inch single-bevel sliding compound DCS 361B, our pick for the best compact battery-powered saw. This little saw sets itself apart with a user-friendly design, surprising power, and an efficient dust collection system. Its portable nature makes it an excellent choice for trim work on the go or for use in smaller shop spaces where storage is at a premium. With features like easy calibration, miter angle adjustments, a shadow cut indicator for precision, and safety center blade changes, it's a standout in functionality. Our testers loved how quickly the guard moves out of the way, allowing them to line up cuts faster. This saw is best suited for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable, portable saw for light to medium-duty tasks. Unfortunately, the saw lacks a blade depth lock, which complicates tasks like cutting dado joints, requiring you to pay closer attention. And that wraps up our top 5 miter saws of 2026. Whether you need the overall excellence of the DeWalt DWS-780, the incredible value of the SKIL, or the cordless convenience of the Milwaukee, there is a perfect saw here for every workshop and every budget. I have included all the buy links for these products in the description below to help you find the best deals. If you found this review helpful, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button, share this video with a friend who needs new tools, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.